So why should we study astronomy? Because it has nothing to do anything on the earth, or is it like that? It is actually not like that. There are two aspects. Many events on the earth, many physical events, geological events, atmospheric events are deeply influenced by the movement of the sun, by the movement of the moon.
This is how the known asteroids, the numbers increased day by day. How scientists are actually, getting the data of the increased asteroids. Now these are the known asteroids. You have to find some new asteroids among these. Are you ready to find some new ones? And you will be contributing to this particular data. Okay? If you are finding one more, okay, it will be represented here. And the data is being analyzed by Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Okay, NASA always updates its data and the server, okay, with all the things which you are doing. These meteor showers every year occur at the same time, same dates. The dates are the same. Okay, now carbonaceous asteroid 253 methyl is rich in carbon compounds and other dark substances. This particular rock, carbonaceous rocks, they are very rich in carbon. Okay, and then there is one more type of asteroid, we call it as Ceres. Right? It was discovered in 1801. Right? Okay, they are also known as minor planets or planetoids. Okay, now you already know about this information, Giuseppe Pezzi, right? And Ceres was named after the Roman and Cilician goddess of rain. Okay, a lot of things, be a potential hazard to the people living on Earth. They can hit the Earth. Is it true? Yes. And is this the only reason we study about asteroids? Yes.
Consist of various minerals and elements that may not have been discovered on Earth, and also believe that life on Earth actually came from an asteroid. That is why it is really important to study them to know about the origin of the asteroid.
Very true, very true. This is the second reason we study about asteroids. Now,
Earth is located in the sun. In 2010, the space became part of AIASC, began offering search campaigns. About 20 schools have participated.
it's an asteroid as preliminary. So preliminary is the first stage. Okay, pan-stars will take a follow-up. A follow-up will be taken. The orbit of that particular asteroid will be studied, because every asteroid, it revolves in an orbit. If it is not going in an orbit, that means that was not an asteroid. You have detected something else which was moving. Okay. After that,
Okay, Namaskar and welcome to the Indian Heights School. I would just like to know your experience at the Indian Heights School.
It's been a wonderful experience. The school is really wonderful and great. We enjoyed all of the hospitality that you all had to offer, and I'm enjoying the event and learning a lot. Thank you so much for hosting it.
I really liked the way the staff behaved with us. We were welcomed very nicely and everyone behaved well. And also basically the snacks were tasty. So basically it's an amazing experience over here to learn more about space and how to find asteroids.
How has your experience been with space here in collaboration with our school?
We have had an exceptional experience with the teachers. They are quite understanding, as well as providing us with information that could help us in real life. They are quite realistic about the goals and time it takes and about the probability, however encouraging us